Let's take a look at the NexLev Multipurpose Spot Cleaner and see how well its hot water and steam cleaning work, because surface cleaning isn't enough. Whether it's spilled coffee, tea or food on your sofa, dirt settles deep inside the fabric and needs thorough cleaning. This is a portable spot cleaner designed for upholstery, carpets, rugs, mattresses and even car interiors. It offers 3 cleaning modes: cold water cleaning, 60°C hot water cleaning and 120°C steam cleaning. Along with that, you get powerful 14,000 PA suction that helps lift dirt and moisture from deep inside the fabric. It comes with a 1.5 litre clean water tank and a separate 1 litre dirty water tank. Fresh water is sprayed onto the surface while all the extracted dirt collects separately, so you're always cleaning with fresh water. At the hot water and steam mode, the machine heats up quickly, and once the green indicator turns on, it's ready to use. Simply spray, gently scrub and slowly pull back. The hot water and steam help loosen stubborn stains, while the powerful suction extracts the dirty water from deep inside the fabric. You can actually see the dirt collecting inside the dirty water tank, which makes the cleaning result very satisfying to watch. Once the dirty water tank reaches the max level, simply detach it. Empty the collected water, give it a quick rinse and place it back. It also comes with a self-cleaning function that helps flush the hose after every use, making maintenance much easier. The 5-meter power cord and 1.5-meter hose give you plenty of reach, whether it's tea, coffee, milk, juice or everyday spills. This machine is designed to make spot cleaning much easier, while the 13 included attachments make it suitable for different cleaning needs around the house. Beyond spot cleaning, the included steam accessories make this machine even more versatile. Whether it's windows, bathroom tiles, kitchen surfaces, tight corners, delicate fabrics or hard-to-reach areas, you have the right attachment to handle a variety of cleaning tasks around the home. Whether it's everyday spills or stubborn stains, the NexLev Multipurpose Spot Cleaner makes deep cleaning at home much easier.